In 1908, Messina, a devastating earthquake struck the Sicilian city at dawn, followed by fires that swallowed streets. The disaster claimed tens of thousands of lives and reshaped the coast, with relief efforts hampered by debris and aftershocks. A lone survivor recalls how the sea rose and swallowed the quay, while bells rang beneath collapsing arches. Historians note that the quake toppled old buildings and sparked a massive humanitarian response that drew international aid. Today, the memory lives in rebuilt avenues and a cautionary tale about urban planning and seismic risk.